Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, July the 31st, 2022 at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today we have a real potpourri of things that we're going to talk about, tell you about, just a mishmash of stuff. Everything from what we've been working on to the fact I got interviewed this week to monkeypox, to dinners that are coming up and dinners that have been had and what Walter's been cooking and new demos I have online. And yeah, it goes on and on and on. Very much like us. So I hope you can join us for the fun this afternoon. We never know what we're going to be talking about until we talk to you, because you give us the ideas, you give us the stimulus, you give us the tangents that we go off on all the time. So hope to see you this afternoon. That's Sunday, July the 31st, 2022 at 4. Let's get this right, shall we? At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.